on the scooter?
That's it, round 2.
How are you gonna?
Rochambeau?
Yeah. That's right.
The last video, people were going bananas. They loved that video so much. The one we did at 88 Park.
Just do a front 50. How's that?
Straight front 50?
Straight front 50.
Are we rotating or are you gonna like take turns? Like when you play a serious game, when it matters.
When we play a
S-game
serious
to
game,
skate.
yeah, you usually do like you keep going until you fall.
Okay, then I'm doing that.
Are you sure?
You can zip me right now if you.
Because I like the idea of switching up, but because then you'll go forever once you go.
Right. So it all depends on how nice you are at Rochambeau, which you got lucky. So you want to
So
zip
now
me.
I gotta land 5 tricks in a row. I can barely land 1 trick ever. I get out so quick. Front 50.
Like #1 weakness.
There's no way you got this, dude.
You never know what could happen.
Wow. You've been practicing, huh?
What does the winner get? Like, what are we doing? Are you going straight home after? Are we getting like a quick snack, grub, something? Am I mailing you a new doormat for a future place?
Yeah,
like your next like future home,
whoever loses
it is.
has to send the other one a doormat.
Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna do a trick that you can never do. Keep a little hedge. Because I just learned them. Oh, almost shot out.
Your wheel almost didn't touch.
It almost. I mean, just the more tricks I land, period, the better. God, dude.
You ever see those kids on Instagram? Like them?
I could be. You've been scooting for a long time, so maybe you've done this one, but tail whip.
Right. Oh damn.
Whoa, whoa! How about a bar spin?
Really?
I'm gonna try it, yeah.
In cold?
Yeah, I think so. No gloves?
It's like 2 bar spins today. It hurt.
Oh, B word.
What, buddy?
Yeah.
Oh, buddy.
Buddy! You might as well do a flare, because I just learned that one too.
Technically, you did back feeble front 3 like better than me. Like it looked better.
Yeah, it was way better than you, dude. This fool's exaggerating. Whoa. Oh my god! Did you see how desperate I was to pull it?
You should move.
I thought I was gonna hit you. Even as I was falling, I was like this. I was like trying to pull it out. Like, come on. Oh shit.
I'm hoping we don't repeat tricks from the last video. I don't think we are.
All right. Oh, what's up,
Yeah,
son?
if you were to do a 180 off something,
Yeah.
what's more comfortable for you, front side or back side?
I mean, front side's more comfortable, but
Okay, so we'll do back side.
let's do that one. Yeah, that's great. What a friend. I'll be straight up though. I don't know if I can get up this.
You can like start on top and push.
How about I try that?
There's kids that do that at the skate park all the time. I guess start on top of things. Nothing wrong with that.
Oh!
That shit is massive, bro.
Oh wait, that was like literally.
No! Ooh, all right.
Count it?
All right. Excited for new tricks. I'm excited for your new tricks.
I can't remember what we did in the last video.
I can't remember either. I know you jumped a set, so you made it. There's
Oh.
What was it, like 5, right? You made it. There's no stairs here.
Oh, luckily, thank God. Oh God. Even going up this is like terrifying for me. No! I was going like just a little too slow.
I think the last video, we gave you 3 tries. 2 more tries. I'm gonna give you 3 tries from now on.
Yeah?
I think we did that last video. I think the last game that we played, I was a little more forgiving and I gave you 3 tries. And then if you did it, I got a letter. Completely forgot about that and I'm being more of a douchebag in this game. If you land this one, it wipes your letters and gives me 2 letters. I have 2 letters. I remember the last game, and the last game was like really friendly and like, yeah, you know, it could be anybody's game. And this game was like straight up like douchebag. I was just trying to win. We gotta make it fun. Like if we got on a skateboard, I would clearly lose.
Yeah,
unless there was some bent rules.
No, probably not. I could try it. Yeah, I'll try manual.
Manual?
If you can do it. Oh man. What was that? Did you land it?
I was trying to make fun of it.
He like legit didn't land that, but I'm gonna do a bar spin off of this.
It's like 15 degrees and you're doing bar spins. I would not mind losing because I have a sick idea for this doormat. You've done front board, correct?
Yeah, yeah. Oh God.
Do you feel confident you can do it?
I'll try it. Yeah.
So front board.
God. Oh. Okay.
Oh.
I really do treat it like a skateboard, don't I?
You're dramatic, like super gnarly big drop falls every time.
I should do it at least just for the
yourself.
homage.
Yeah. Got a fat leather though.
Damn. Chillin'.
If you go 40 miles an hour, then the manual is only second long.
Oh my god,
No, come on,
close.
come on. You can do better than that.
Oh, there we go.
The bloopers of this video is gonna be great. It's just gonna be you on your back.
Ooh. How about I just try what you just tried?
Oh. Quick intermission.
It's like, thanks.
Break the ledge or the scooter.
Damn.
Yeah.
Technically, you still did the trick first. Like you did a trick before me.
I was just gonna ride up, jump on the rail like this, and then try to jump over.
Okay.
Does that work? That works, right? Oh, okay. So that's the danger.
Who waxed this rail?
Who waxed it?
Oh God.
Ooh, for a second I was like, if he goes that way. Oh, that's hard.
Since you love whips,
I love me some whips, bro. Don't even say it.
some tail in.
Tail in?
Tail in.
What? Tail in? Oh my god, that's death.
You've been shooting out the whole video, so if you're going into a bank, you're definitely gonna super shoot out.
Oh my god, I don't know if I can do that. Oh no! It's like a good arm workout.
Now you know why.
Yeah, now I know you're. Oh dang, dude!
Hold this light thing for me. So technically, you have 4 letters.
Yeah, I have T.
It's a Scoot. Hello.
Sorry.
2 O's, double O. We do double O.
S.C.O.O. Oh, you're right. Dang it.
Which direction do you want me to go in the skate park? When
Oh,
I pick
God.
The next obstacle, we go this way, and we go this way.
This way? I'm curious. It's not gonna happen, dude.
It has to.
All right, well, let's watch it. I'll watch it.
You've done other ramps.
All right. Let's
And
see.
the last trick you guys said, the last trick in the other video, you jumped like a fat sack.
Yeah, but that's easy. Okay.
Who asked this to? Name is aboard.
God, all right, here.
You look. Come on. Yeah, and I'll make a deal with you.
Huh.
If you do it, this shot,
Yeah.
and successfully turn on the other side,
Yeah.
you win the game.
Oh my god.
Only because it is.
Wait, turn as in like roll away?
Like you have to go and pick a 180 or pick a fakie or just like be in control to exit the mini pipe when
All
you
right.
want. You win, and if you win, I send you a doormat.
All right. This is the double finger. Ready? Right. Here.
That's it.
All right, here we go.
No, your wheel was sliding right here. I was holding my breath the whole time.
It's hilarious that like I did the drop in, which was sketchy, and then here I almost did not pull it.
You know what made it challenging is that I made you so excited on this, and
Yeah.
you're like, you forget, like, oh wait, second part. I saw the turn.
I knew that's what you're thinking. It's funny because I knew I had to do this, but I also knew I had to keep in mind, like, dude, don't get too amped because like you're not gonna be able to do that.
That's what I'm saying. The easy thing, get nervous. That was good.
Oh yeah. Sweet. We did
Fair
it.
game, redemption. To be fair, those rules needed to change. The last game we played on the channel, I gave him an advantage since he's at a disadvantage, and to have the 3 tries is only fair. Because if I was skateboarding, I feel like even if I had 5 tries, it wouldn't help. If you guys like this is the second game of Scoot. If you want to do another one, the tiebreaker, because technically I won the first one, and this is the second one. If we should do a tiebreaker, let me know and like the video. Doing that will determine. Let us know where. If you want to do the streets, the park. I'm trying to see if maybe we can hit some spots with them. That'd be the tiebreaker. Tiebreaker in the streets and try to make it work. If you enjoyed this video, please like it. I'm gonna ask you one more time. Appreciate you guys watching this video. Make sure to follow John and his stuff. He actually made a video at the skate park showing you like an entire park on his board. Check that out. And appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you subscribe to both our channels, and I'll see you guys in the next one.